This is Stowe, a quaint New England town nestled at the foot of Vermont's highest mountain peak. This signature destination is featured as one of the top 10 best ski towns in America. With an average snowfall of 314 inches covering the mountain's 116 trails, the slopes beckon both newbies and experts alike. And don't worry, if you prefer a slower pace off the mountain, Spruce Peak Village is the place to be, with a gorgeous alpine lodge, plenty of shopping, and a world-class spa retreat. To me, Stowe is that perfect ski town. If you are looking for a charming, European-inspired mountain escape, this four-season destination might just be the one for you.